Okay, so we're at South Manakau Road level crossing tonight. And this level crossing, it used to have, it's got Griswold signal code lights retrofitted with LEDs, and it used to have Griswold mechanical bells too, but you can't see it because of how dark it is. But it's now got Western, Cullen, Hayes, E-bells. So yeah, let's just wait for the train. Sorry I was a bit late with starting the camera, but yeah. So we've got Griswold signal code lights retrofitted with LEDs and Western Cullen Hayes E-bells. So yeah, that's it.